Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing and trying out the Ice Cream Beauty Box for the month of December 2022. I'm so excited to get this box. So if you're not familiar with Ice Cream Beauty, it is $25 a month for the box. They also have a bag for $12.50 a month. I don't get the bag, I just get the box. So you get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. And if you use code Michelle10, you can save 10% off of your first subscription. I don't make any money off of it. It's just a code to save you guys some money. So if you wanted to use it, you're more than welcome to. I'm going to have everything linked down in the description box as always. So if you like these types of unboxings or spoilers or vlogs, I do nails. I do a lot of different content on my channel. Please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go and ring the notification bell because I am very random. I don't have certain days that I upload. I kind of just upload randomly whenever I get a chance to. So yeah, make sure you ring the notification bell so that way you're notified. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to run over the products really quick. So first up we have a Chantico Beauty palette. And I'm probably going to botch this, but this is the galleta palette, and that is a Spanish word for cookie. I hope I didn't botch it, but I probably did. So this is what she looks like. I have swatched a few colors. These shimmers feel very buttery, so I think this is going to be a good palette. I cannot wait to try this out. And this retails for $45. Next up, if we have cookies, we got to have the milk to go with the cookies. This is the Glow Milk by the Beauty Crop. This retails for $15, which is actually really good. Totally keeping the packaging because how cute. It looks like a little milk carton. I love it. This is what she looks like. I'm actually going to add her to foundation today because I want a really glowy look. Next up, we have this cute little penguin sponge, and this is by Base Blue, and this retails for $13. So I did use it to blend out my concealer around my eyebrows because, of course, I already have my eyebrows done. So I used the black side because the black side is silicone, so it's not supposed to absorb your products as much, and the white side is just regular. I feel like I'm going to like the white side better than the black. The black was a little stiff on my face, but we'll see as we use it. And of course, the little feet are the holder. How cute. I love that for sitting on my desk. So next up, we have a setting powder from Pure Cosmetics, and this retails for $28. This is the Picture Perfect HD powder. So when you open it up, it has a nice mirror. It also has a nice little powder puff. It's so funny because I just got one of these powder puffs out the other day. Like, this is the one that I had that I ordered off of Amazon. As you can see, it's dirty. I've used it. But I just got one out because I was like, I haven't used one in so long. Let me try it out again because, you know, sometimes when you get into just like a rut of using the same old, you know, it just gets old. Get out some of your old stuff, play with it. Sometimes you fall back in love with it and we'll use it a ton again. Yeah, I haven't took the seal off of it yet, but I also noticed that you can unscrew this top as well. So if you wanted to be able to shake it out into the top, you can still do that. So I like that. I like that you can still remove the top from it. It looks very white, so I'm kind of nervous about that, but it's not supposed to leave a white cast or nothing, but I don't know, girl. We'll see. Okay, so last but not least is from Basic Beauty. So you get a lip liner and a lipstick and this lip kit, which I love, and it's just a beautiful shade of red. Of course, girl, you know that's why I'm wearing a red shirt, because we gotta match it. Got to do it. But I absolutely love their lip liners. Basic Beauty has some of the best lip liners I've ever used. They're always so creamy. These do sharpen with just a regular pencil sharpener. You don't have to have anything special. I just personally use a regular pencil sharpener. I don't buy anything special to sharpen them. I've never had an issue with them, and I have quite a few. I think I have like 3 or 4 different shades of the Basic Beauty lip liner now, so no problems with that. Pull my hair back really quick. Alright, so now that I have my lids primed, I think I'm going to start off with this red shade, and I'm going to put that red shade in my transition area. Now I'm going to keep it very light on the brush because obviously I don't want it to be very pigmented. I just want it to be a light wash of the red in my transition area. and this was one dip, so be careful because she is pigmented, which is really nice. And I'm just gonna bring it on up to my eyebrow. Same thing for this side. So it's just a few days before Christmas. Is everybody ready? Because I'm almost ready, okay? That's what I've been doing. Like, I am so sorry that it's been like taking me forever to get on here and film, I feel like. But because today is Wednesday and I got this box in Saturday, and I just haven't had the time because I've been so busy trying to get everything ready because I host Christmas. So if you wasn't able to watch my vlog that I did, I do host Christmas. So I've just been trying to get the house, you know, prepared and everything, and make sure I got everything together before people show up here on Christmas. I'm going to go in with a flat brush, and I'm going to use this color right here. And this color is a very soft color. When I swatched it, it swatched really nicely. So yeah, it picks up super easy. But it does have a lot of fallout too, because it is so soft, I'm assuming. But you know, girl, I am heavy-handed, so that could be the problem too. But that's what, honestly, why I've been trying to do my face makeup last, is because I keep getting a ton of fallout. And then you have to go back and clean up a ton. So at least this way, when you go to clean up, it's not that bad. You can just take a wipe and wipe it away. So I'm just going to turn this brush sideways and buff it out a little. So now I'm going to take this gold color here, and I'm going to put that on the inner portion, just to brighten up a little bit. Yeah. Just to brighten it up a little, where it's not so dark. Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade here and put on the outer crease. Oh, I love this brown. This brown is a good one. And then I'm going to bring it around to the inner portion. And see how that just fades really nicely into the red? Yeah, that's beautiful. Now I'm going to go back with the first brush, not adding anything to it, and I'm just going to blend over, just to blend everything out and together. So now I'm going to take this silver color, and I think I'm going to use this as my highlighter. Put a little bit on the brow bone just to lighten it up a bit. Go back with the first brush, blend everything together. I'm also going to take that silver color and highlight my inner corner. But yeah, I really hope everybody is ready for Christmas. We're so close. I know my kids are so excited for Christmas. They're ready. Like I said, I am almost ready. I'm almost there. So I'm just going to clean up really quick. So I'm just going to add a black liner in the waterline. Okay, so now for foundation, I'm going to just use my LA Girl Pro Matte. So anytime I'm using a matte foundation, I love to add in a highlighter. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to add this highlighter in with my foundation. I'm just going to put it on my finger and smooth it over. So I'm going to go in with the black side first. And it does have like a little tail on it. This just feels like so much harder on the face though. I'm not really liking it too much. It feels really stiff. Not loving the sponge. Alright, so I'm going to turn it over and use the white side and see if I do like the white side better. And I did already get the sponge wet. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. This I feel like would be a hard sponge to get like up in the under eye with. Just bring it down the neck. Okay, so I do have to say that I don't really like the sponge. It's very like stiff on the face, and I am used to this one, which is my e.l.f. Cookies and Dream. You can get this at Walmart for $5. It's really nice. Of course, this is not wet. This is dry, dirty sponge. But when you get it wet, it's really big. It's very bouncy. This one, not so much. It's very stiff on your face. Not a fan. It's just not very easy on your skin. Okay, so I got my concealer done. I went ahead and did cream, bronzer, and blush, so I can still use this as a highlighter. Even though this is very like thick, it's not runny by any means. It's not trying to suck up in the tube. It's a thick formula. So I'm just gonna put it directly on my finger and then just tap it right onto the skin. It does blend out really nicely with the finger. It's really beautiful. I do like this a lot. I'd rather have it more on the thicker side than the thin, so that way it's not running. But yeah, I absolutely love the color and everything. I think it's beautiful. Okay, so now I'm super nervous to try the powder, but we're about to try the powder. I'm just going to tap out under my eyes really quick just to make sure I don't have any creasing. I'm just going to use the smallest amount. I'm not going to use a ton. And I'm just going to kind of set the whole face because it is transparent, so you can set everything with it. So far I set everything really nicely. I don't think I look extra white, but we'll definitely be able to tell on camera. I feel like camera tells so much more. So I'm going to set under the eye. It does make you look nice and smooth. Again, I'm not using a ton. I'm just using a little bit. This is just a brush that has nothing on it. Just trying to blend everything. Hopefully I don't have a white cast, but we'll see. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this dark brown shade. I'm just going to put that on the lower lash line. And then now I'm going to take this red shade and I'm going to run right on the very bottom of that. Just a little bit of it. You don't need a ton. Just to brighten up that bottom a little bit. And now I'm just going to do a little bit of mascara. So last but not least is, of course, the lip liner and the lipstick. And these lipsticks smell so good. Okay, girl, so this is the completed look. This lipstick is a cream liquid lipstick, so I don't think it's supposed to dry. I don't know, because I've had it on for like 5 minutes now and it still is not drying, so I'm just assuming that it's not supposed to dry. It's a really good color though. I actually really like that color. It's not a very bright red, it's your darker red. So beautiful for the holidays. Love that. I will definitely be wearing this. I might wear this. I don't know if I'm going to wear it Christmas because I was kind of hoping that it was going to be one that would like stay on your lip and wouldn't come off. But overall, I am so happy about how my makeup looks. I think it looks really good. Love the eye look. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. The red did not overtake and look crazy, but I just wanted to do a little bit of red in there just to tie it in with the lips somehow. I think that it turned out really well. Not sure about this powder yet though, honestly. Right now, my skin looks really good. So we'll see how it wears. I'll update you in the description box to let you know how it wore throughout the day. But so far, I am very satisfied with my makeup. Love the eyeshadow palette, absolutely. Love the lipstick. I think it's gorgeous. And now that I'm getting a little bit into red colors, I love it. Absolutely love this stuff. It is a bit on the thicker side, but I do not mind that at all. It mixed really nice with my foundation, and it also layered really good on top of my skin for a nice glow. So absolutely love that. So far, I like the powder. I don't think the powder gave me a white cast or anything. I think it melted into my skin really nice. So I do like the powder so far. This little guy, he's so cute, but I don't like him. He's very like hard on your skin. Not my favorite sponge. I probably won't use this again. I'm gonna, you know, of course, clean him up. I'll probably keep him just because he's cute, but that's the only reason why I'm keeping you, dude, because other than that, I don't really like the whole silicone part. Don't care for that. I do like the little holder, however, so it's a nice concept. It's just not a nice sponge, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.